being an honest lawyer means that you have to always be honest with the client. Meaning to say that as a lawyer, you should always act on behalf of the best interest of the client. So, one of the most important elements of being a good lawyer is to ensure that you always fight for the interest of your client and to ensure that every case that he is in always put in his favor.
Okay, do you have like an example situation or what?
For example, if let's just say your client commits a criminal breach of trust case and he was obviously in the wrong, what a good lawyer should do is that regardless whether he was wrong or right in this case, you should always defend your client because he's the one who came to you first and foremost and have the trust that you can solve that particular problem. Then the question of morality comes second as to whether or not this client is guilty or not. That is not the role of what lawyers should be, because lawyers should always, even though the client may not be in the right, but that doesn't mean that he does not deserve a second chance. And that's why we feel that every lawyer should try to get the fairest decision for the client, meaning to say that you should always try to work cases in favor of the client. And it's very important for you to be honest, be completely honest with your client, especially even though he is conducting these sort of problems, offenses. We think that lawyers should always stay true to the client.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Gonna know for sure if we never try to make it clear. So I take time to explain. Sharks nibble and I'm out of here. Still messing with the same old fears. Black eyes won't fight to absorb true sublime. But if I don't stay, I got my conscience screaming, where do we go from here? If I don't stay, I know your sky will catch me if I over every day. All we ever know is what to say. Defend our right to be right. Come on now, the end is near, but we're still messing with the same old fears.
Thank you for spending your time to meet me up. I'm having some legal issues and I need your assistance. It is the best if you can reach for a settlement with them. All I need is just the compensation.
Alright, no problem for that. But I need all your documents and also supporting evidence so that it's able for me to study the case and then I will try my best for it.
Thank you for such a good case. I will be pleased if you can cash the check out as soon as possible and transfer it to me.
You're welcome, Mr. Mira. It's indeed my pleasure to have this outcome for you. I will have my account clerk to handle the matter and bank in the amount for you as soon as possible.
Hello? May I speak to Mr. Darshan, please? I'm still waiting for him to pay back my money to me. He's yet to return the compensation fund. What? He's not here again? So when is he going to return my money? If he fails to pay back after all this, I will lodge a complaint with the disciplinary board. Good morning, miss. I would like to lodge a complaint against Mr. Darshan. He's a lawyer, and I know I took this right.
No problem, sir. We are very strict on the lawyer's professionalism, and that's why our counsel is established. So please let me have it.
Previously, I was having a legal issue, and I sought for his legal service. We actually gone into settlement, and I was paid with an amount of 9,000 as the settlement. I was supposed to get the amount banked in by Mr. Darshan, but it has been a few months since I asked him for cashing the check made payable to his firm. His staff told me that he was not around every time I called. And every time I went to his office, he refused to see me and gave excuses that he would cash it out as soon as possible. I have reasonable doubt that he never wanted to return me my money, and that's why I'm here seeking for assistance to complain on his dishonesty, because I don't think that he has acted.
Okay, so I will report this to my boss and we will take the appropriate action on this.
Kami selaku Peguam Syarat dan Peguam Gelar kepada Majlis Peguam Malaysia ingin memohon perintah Mahkamah yang mulia ini untuk menggugurkan jawatan dan kelayakan beliau, Encik Darshan Singh, anak lelaki anak Singh, sebagai Peguam Syarat dan Peguam Gelar yang diiktirafkan di Mahkamah Tinggi Malaya. Dengan izin yang arif, kami harap permohonan ini diluluskan sebagai pengajaran dan hukuman kepada defendant yang gagal melaksanakan tugas sebagai seorang peguam syarat dan peguam gelar dengan jujur dan berniat jahat kepada mana-mana pihak, terutamanya anak peguam beliau.
This is unfair. Mr. Darshan has obviously acted dishonestly and he deserves to get his punishment. We have to appeal to the Court of Appeal. There are two grounds raised by the appellant in opposing the motion of reinstating the role of the respondent, Mr. Darshan, as a practicing lawyer. First, the respondent has committed a serious act of dishonesty and fraudulent conduct in discharging his role as an advocate and solicitor. The appellant pointed out that the conduct committed by the respondent was an offence under Section 94, clause subsection 3, paragraph C of the Legal Profession Act. The respondent has failed to make reinstitution to the complainant before applying to reinstating as an advocate and solicitor. The appellant submitted that the restitution made by the respondent was a mere afterthought. The respondent applied for restoration of his role on 3rd of March in 2014, but the reinstitution to complainant was only made good on 9th of October in 2000.
Made by the bench of Court of Appeal Judge Malaysia, quoted from Yang Arif Umi Khautun binti Abdul Majid. So in the judgment, Yang Arif agreed with the submission on the issue raised by the appellant that the restitution made by the respondent was a mere afterthought, seeing the delay of restitution. When the respondent applied for restoration to the role, he has yet to make restitution to the complainant. So this is supported by the respondent's affidavit in support, where he had affirmed on the complaint resulted in his disbarment. However, the respondent had failed to state that he had made full restitution. The respondent had failed to state that he had made full restitution to the complainant. More importantly, the restitution made by the respondent were made after the motion was filed. Furthermore, the court is agreeable with the submission of the appellant that the respondent had in fact committed an offence under Section 94, subsection 3, paragraph C of the Legal Professions Act, where the act of the respondent was dishonest and involved fraudulent conduct in discharging his duties as an advocate. The grounds of judgment were that the restitution made by the respondent was gross delayed to the complainant. This showed that the respondent had not, on the balance of probabilities, truly shown his competence of his past deed and that he is fit and proper person to be readmitted to the rolls. Therefore, the Court of Appeal allowed this appeal.